Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. It's your boy Breezy, man. And as you see, I'm still in Ghana, man. So I decided to extend it. It's too early. I decided to extend my stay, man. So I'm going to be here probably for like another week. Just conducting some business, doing things that I want to do out here and stuff like that. But I wanted to say, man, Happy New Year to everybody who supported me, who's watching this video, who liked, commented, whatever, man. Whoever that's been a part of the journey, you know what I'm saying, so far. You know what I'm saying? So I just want to say Happy New Year, man. I wish you guys blessings, strength, power, prosperity, and everything you guys want to do in life, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, been here for, it's gonna be like basically a goddamn 2 months I'm gonna be here for, you know what I'm saying? But I'm loving, I'm enjoying every day of it, you know what I'm saying? And I'm basically a Ghanaian now, 100%. You know what I'm saying? I've been here twice, met the people, ate the food, you know what I'm saying? Seen everything, man, you know what I'm saying? I'm basically part of the culture now, you know what I'm saying? So you guys are right though. I say, you know what I'm saying, a lot. I gotta stop saying that. But yeah, man, new year, new goals. But same me, you know what I'm saying? So just expect a lot more content, better content, meeting new people, that's growing the channel, man, growing as a person, traveling the continent, you know what I'm saying? Showing love to black businesses all over the world. I'm gonna be doing a lot of promoting black businesses when I go back to the States. You know what I'm saying? See, I said it again. But we working, man. We working hard for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy this channel. Hope you guys enjoy watching my videos, because I feel like I put a lot into it. Hopefully you guys will actually appreciate the content I put out. But yeah, beautiful day in Ghana. You know what I'm saying? Beautiful day in Ghana. The traffic here is still ridiculous. I can show you guys the traffic and stuff. So when I show you guys, no traffic here, but every damn junction intersection is basically near an accident. So if you're traveling out here and driving, man, be safe, stuff like that. But yeah, man, hope y'all enjoy your day. Hope y'all enjoy your year, man. It's a new year, you know what I'm saying? Whatever happened in 2021, leave it back there. Any type of negativity, leave it in 2021. Any type of hate you have for somebody, leave it in 2021, man. That only holds you back, you know what I'm saying? It only holds you back. So keep on staying positive, keep on moving forward with life. And yeah, you're gonna see me again. Peace. So this is the typical, traditional Ghanaian breakfast. No, why do you guys make that?
It's rice. It's called angwamo, oil rice. So rice with onion, you fry it, then you grind the chili, and that's what's it. Some people eat it with sardines, some people eat it with corned beef and with fried egg.
So the rice is just like this, the rice, the oil, and the onions, that's it?
Yep.
Good eats, good eats, good eats, good eats, good eats, good eats. Gotta have the best. Best.
I got a lesson, and I wanna teach you. I'm gonna show you that where you from. No matter to me. She said, when I come from side, she said, come eat you up. She said, want them monster. I said, normally, if you stop the thing, you give them something.
You should have brought some bananas.
We're on a walk. Show you guys the beautiful motherland of Ghana. Ghana. Did I say it right?
Ghana, the motherland.
The motherland.
We used to actually be called the Gold Coast.
We must speak about these damn gutters, man. Ghana, we need you to fix these damn gutters, man. Whoever watches this, any type of government officials, whoever, politicians, fix these damn gutters. It's supposed to be covered. Little kids could fall in them. Never be seen again. You ever see that movie, It?
Yeah.
When
No,
they
no,
hit-
I haven't actually.
Oh. Whose house is this, though?
I don't know about that. It's huge.
It's huge. Yeah.